Okay, let's look at GitHub's design system. It's called Primer. I actually worked with it a little bit in the past, but it needs some recent updates like adding light and dark. They're using variables. It looks pretty solid and detailed. I'd have to work with it a bit more just to find out how painful it is or not. Just by looking at this, it might be a bit painful having so many variables, but also, again, you have to actually use it to see how that affects the experience. Do they have any examples? No, not really, unfortunately. But if you've seen GitHub, it's like pretty solid, pretty scalable, has a lot of elements. It's very good for data density. If you compare this with Salesforce's Lightning, this is much nicer and accomplishes the same thing. It's one of those systems that has a lot of flexibility and looks good at the same time. Too bad they don't provide more examples, but again, you just have to browse GitHub a little bit to know it works, and especially if you're doing like an IT related app or something, this is going to be like super easy to do with a lot of great components. You have some examples here on how to use it. Yeah, I do recommend it. We should head like better into a quick check. Can I change, for example, just the colors if I want to? Yeah, light dark. It works pretty well. We should have more responsive mode as well, but again, GitHub is more like a desktop thingy, so no reason to do that. But yeah, otherwise, job well done.